Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Dollar General clearance event, which begins tomorrow. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so like I just said, this new Dollar General clearance event will begin tomorrow on October the 21st and run through Sunday, October the 23rd. Now, we have already had a couple of clearance events in the month of October, so I'm not quite sure what DG is thinking, but hey, we will take it, right? So, this clearance event is only going to be seasonal clearance items, but y'all make sure that you stick around until the end because I do have a quick little tip for you all. So, let's go ahead and jump right in and see what exactly is going to be included in this clearance event. Alright, so for our first category, we have the swim and summer toys. Now, these are currently at 25% off to 50% off, and I have seen a couple stores in my area manually marking these down to 70% off. So it's a really big, your miles may vary on that. However, this weekend during the clearance event, all of these items will be an additional 50% off of that already clearanced price. Now, this category does exclude the bubbles and chalk, so you guys keep that in mind. Alright, now moving right along for our second category, we have the lawn and garden items. Now, these are currently at 50% off, but again, your miles may vary. At a couple of my stores, they have already manually marked these items down to 70% off. Now, y'all keep in mind that this category does exclude the charcoal, the propane, the coolers, the fans, the potting soil, the grills, hoses, and the citronella fuel. Alright, now for our third category, we have our personal protection equipment. Now, in this category, we have the Wipeout antibacterial wipes, as well as the Clean-Sol multi-surface wipes and the Ultra Clean wipes, as well as the DG brand hand sanitizers. There are several different sizes that y'all can choose from, and we have a couple of the face masks. So again, just make sure that y'all scan to make sure that it is ringing up an additional 50% off this weekend. Alright, and for our last category, we have our Blue Star toys. Now, these are going to be 50% off of their regular price. So again, when you're in the store, make sure that you have your correct location set on your DG app and scan those products to make sure that the correct price is pulling up for the clearance event. Alright, so now that we know what is included, let's go ahead and talk about what is not included. So, during this clearance event, the POG clearance items and the clearance section will not officially be included. Now, I know that a lot of people will be writing off this clearance event and they will not participate because they think it's just going to be the seasonal item. Now, that's going to be the case for most stores. However, in my experience, you really just don't know what is included in a clearance event until you get out there and kind of scope out your stores, or at the very least, when you go in to do your 5 off $25 scenarios on Saturday, go ahead and ask the employees what is included in the clearance event. Because in my experience, I have ran across some stores that do include the clearance section and other items that maybe they have overstock on or things like that. So it never hurts to go ahead and ask what is included in the clearance event. Take, for example, here is my DG haul from back in August when we had a seasonal clearance event. I ran across a store and they did include their clearance section, and I really scored on all of these paper plates and this huge box of Swiffer refills. So there's just a quick little tip from me, because I know that a lot of people hear the word seasonal clearance events and they think, you know what, we have had these items included in the previous clearance events, I already have what I want, or I'm going to wait for those items to clearance down even further. And yes, that is a good way of looking at it. However, I still go by the rule of thumb, you really just don't know what you're going to find at a DG clearance event until you go out there and check it out for yourself, because every store is different, especially when it comes to the Dollar General clearance events. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is our overview of this weekend's Dollar General clearance event. Now, if y'all are looking for even more deals, make sure that you go back and check out my Dollar General Good Deals and Glitch List video, because we have so many good deals going on at DG right now. And then I also uploaded my Walgreens haul. We have plenty of great deals going on there as well this week. So if you missed either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked in the pinned comment down below. And once you're done checking out those videos, make sure that you stick around because I have 2 amazing videos that I cannot wait to share with y'all coming up next. So we're going to be going over some 5 off $25 scenarios for Family Dollar this weekend, as well as Dollar General. And I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all, I am really excited about the 5 off 25s at DG this weekend. So make sure that y'all stick around. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.